This is the Queen's English House Accent Reduction Training Series, and I'm Muhammad Javed. Today, we are learning labiodental sounds. It's the second chapter of consonant sounds according to place of articulation. And in this chapter, there are two sounds. These sounds are pronounced as So, in pronunciation of these two sounds, top teeth and bottom lip are involved. Let's take a look at these pronunciations one more time. Listen and repeat after me. The first consonant is voiceless, while the second one is voiced. Remember, voicing is a feature which tells us whether a consonant causes vibration in the throat or not. If it does, the consonant is called voiced. If it doesn't, the consonant is unvoiced or voiceless. Here are the examples for these two sounds. Fly, fear, flay, vest, very, vet. That's all about it. I'll see you with the next lesson the next time. Till then, bye-bye.